Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram account from public to private. So let's get started by opening our Instagram. Then you go to your profile view. Then you click on the three lines in the upper right corner. Then you will have to click on settings. When you see these options, you will click on privacy. And now, as you can see on the first option, it says private account. So to enable private account, you will have to enable this button. You click on it. Then they will ask you if you want to switch it to private. You click on switch to private. And one last thing, they will ask you if you want to review followers. Click review. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share and subscribe.